Gendarme man wey e kill e combi for this side, so for Douala country people dem e own combi dem say they don last put hand for his skin. This one e happen na for that side, so for Yawende. So for Palava thief, we wan say big congratulate as well vigilante people dem for that side, so for far north. Last they don kill some 2 thief people dem wey their own work na for the cash people dem for road. So the take talk for that side too for inside Torim. We go turn back talk away fire. If we take burn, place them inside Douala before Christmas and for Christmas Day. How Christmas it take waka, we go turn for inside church them. We go for Loom, Douala, Boya, and even for Yawende side day. All the one they so now we will take talk on this afternoon for this side, so for Equinox Tori House. Big part talk, it talks everything. Say you no fit sabi monkey wey e dey vex and monkey wey e dey glad. You no fit sabi monkey wey e dey vex and monkey wey e dey glad for e face. We wan say big thank you for you Job Desiree. You dey for that side, so for Opec City, Town for Friendship, Limbe, wey you send with big part talk for this Boxing Day. I dey turn back small time. Good afternoon for outside the country people there. We dey glad plenty for be with una again for this chapter for Equinox Tori House Pidgin News. We go begin now with this palava killing. We sabi say Douala here e be hot for inside this weekend. We take enter now with this amateur image. Oh, if you for talk for now say this so gendarme man where they call it say waiting. They call in Atakem Wamba Ronic. As so they talk just now, they don already put in hand for his skin. They catch the gendarme man now for that side, so for Yawende, according to Tori we take enter for EM. Una sabi say na this gendarme man country people wey he come for Douala here, he can kill his own combi say wey they do the same work. Major Dudu Liba for inside Douala here. Like say that one, you know, be correct. This gendarme man, he take the same gun. He find Dudu Liba, a woman where they call him say waiting the Jufa Kevin. Now so to he kill that woman. He no remain for them. In so to he take the same gun. He kill neighbor them for these people them where they call it say Danny Herman. So they catch this man this early morning time. So now for that side, so for Yawin the country people them this gendarme man, and also the take talk all Tori way the enter for we here now. Now for talk say waiting this gendarme man way do that kind of working for inside Douala here they take run. Now phone way e dey so they take cash and for seeker say they be dey try for see whether they fit catch it for phone, but last they put in hand. So it already enter Douala. Now photo this for Legion officer for Douala where they don't bring the gendarme man for inside Douala here. Now for talk say now so correct investigate the start. Now in that for a Legion officer for inside Douala here way it already come for here. So now even the people then that where they go for Yawende where they go make that investigate. So they catch this gendarme man where he kill his own combi. No ask me waiting he pass and waiting he no pass before he dey so he kill his combi. But as well we talk this gendarme man they don't catch him. He dey for inside Douala here just now. As well we say we dey make Tori so for this side. We go take una go for that side for far north. Now for talk palava for this thief people them where they ever attack people them now for roads when they go waka for that side. So vigilante people them they don't give them correct congratulate. Now why that way do them they come out for give vigilante people them congratulate. Now after where they catch key some 2 thief people them now the people then they gone that they now AKA 47 then that where the people they take disturb people them for roads. So they kill 2 of the people them, then 3 where they shoot them. They say they don't run go for that side. So for Central African Republic. So this work it take pass. Now for that side they call and say Bangambingui. Now for inside this subdivision where they call them say Mbuturu. Now for that side, so for far north and a place where it dey for boundary with Cameroon and Central African Republic. So now the vigilante put in that where Ogadio it be they give them correct congratulate for the fine work where they do on for that side. As well the other 3 thief people them where they shoot them with a gun. them they don't run enter for Central Africa Republic. As waiting that they happen for that side, we say we go try for bring una tori for this side, so for Equinox at Tori House. Now so we go open chapter for before Christmas for inside Douala here. We go begin now with this chapter for fire. Now for that side, so where they call and say waiting big market ownership. Now for the way fire it be start for inside Douala here. It be there now for which day? It be there now for number 24 a night. We then a day before Christmas. Yes, if the fire it start that kind of 10 o'clock for night, where it take enter so for inside this place. Man, you know if you talk how the fire start cash, but the only way the fire level now people there they stand up where they don't surprise plenty. They no sabi where to where take pass, but the supermarket, even the Lebanese country people them when at the supermarket it be the bond so then say they only wake up on top their bed, they can't stand up for outside, they see where to where fire it don't do inside their business. No man in office sabi waiting and how where the fire take start, but according to Tori we enter for we EM. They try for tell we say all thing it be dey fine, so they put the lock, they go for house only for them where they want here and say fire it the cash. And if sapper pompier people them or police or firefighter peoples they no come, oh boy, fire for enter sef for inside the other house the way they did for corner. But thank God say boy lamboy them with a captain Afu Hansel and he lamboy them. They land for day one time for taxi as waiting they take pass. We'll be talk with the Captain Afu Hansel when I be big man for firefighter police for this side so from Godi. Make we hear what you take talk.
It's going to vex me because I know meet up the way to call technically water hydrant, where if it permit me and my colleagues to work constantly for a long time, we will not run in shortage of water, which is always the case. You know, so water hydrant is some place where water that was come up, where they permit you for carry water for the for lost fire any time the incident happen. But for the case now, you notice and say for this street we did it now, no one water hydrant no day, and we need say after we motor don't run out of for shortage of water, it will need to move go far to go find some other water to put inside the truck before we come back and continue for the fire. And why it means so, the fire need to always stand for where we. As we don't go for the before we find water, it means say the fire it go the progress gently to go ahead, and where it go fit cause too much destruction if the motor no come back quickly. And you know say as motor they go find water, it will obviously make obstacles on the road as they go find the water. So what to vex me principally, I say we no get the water hydrant where it will be there for present or for work constantly non-stop till we get the fire in our control as it is the case now. But we know it not happen the time we want. Yeah, up to inside the stubborn as we aim now be now only for limit the fire. Say me no propagate go for the other neighbor stores as I don't first.
Yes, now Captain Afu Hansel, that's a big man for police or fire people them for this side so from Godim. They no be get correct Christmas as we any other person be get them. As we they come up for number 24 night. Number 25 night, it be then another fire again. Now for that side, so for Bona Musa, the corner people them. D1, na nightclub. We go show now the image, as so take get them to for outside the corner people them. For tell now say the fire, it be then other kind for this other nightclub where people they be the enjoy for Christmas Day, country people them. Make we enter for this fire too for that side, so for this place where they call them say Cheval Blanc. We say we go show now as so the thing be happen. Person will be the take the image so the fire be really show you pepper. For Sikase place it be the higher na boom 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 call the people them na nightclub that way it the born they try for talk say they so they born for this nightclub it be blame na for on top generator they be get where it be done this show sign for OH since it be don't start the show sign say it no they fine but the people then they no be fit for service say they get for change last all thing lost for Christmas Day now for talk say police or firefighter people them again they no be fit for rest for night wey all man be the enjoy with the family them they be run again for comot for outside for go see how they go lose the fire people the day wey they get wound for sika this fire wey e catch for that side so for Cheval Blanc for night for number 25 day now so too plenty people then too they get lucky for sika say they be fit use their 2 foot run like Usain Bolt for that side so till now we no fit talk whether some person die no man no die for them but we fit talk say they don't give big hand they don't give congratulate for firefighter Water people them again for the fine work where they do yesterday for that fire for that side, so for Sheba Brang, for Bona Musadi. We talk chapter for accidents for big day, as well be the glad for that side too for Guinness. It be then a correct accident will be take pass with the 2 taxi them, country people them, 2 taxi them, they make serious versus. Before one land set for that side, the other taxi, they don't carry and come out. Now the one way remain, but according to Tori, we enter for we hear people the way they be there inside the taxi. Now so to themselves, they be get wound for their skin. They carry them go for hospital. So as we talk, this accident, a pass now for that side, so for road for Guinness, where they go for Ndokoti court side. Now for the way these 2 taxi then too, they make serious versus. Now for inside Douala here, Palava big day for Christmas. Before we open we own big page for Christmas, make we talk Palava Dotin. We take una go for that side, so for Subum now for inside Douala 3. For talk say this, so for seekers suffer with that people they suffer when rain, 84 plenty, it be then a time, as we rain the fall, say may they try for clean the place and for that side. If we get this image for that side, so for Subum, yes, it be then a palava for people that will start clean this place, as we rain the form. Even Mayor yourself for that side, so for Douala 3, job to feel Kwangnang, he says be day for look as well this work in the past, and now for seekers say Subum people them, they don't hear about plenty. Subum na place where they for inside Douala 3, and as well they for the normal work we get for pass. And for these people then for do this correct work, just for sabi say mayor for that side where they call it a job to fit Kwangnam, it be take minds for give a wheelbarrow, for give shovel, so that all the people that they fit dig all the dirty them find sabi, so all the shovel them now one way mayor yourself it take gear and for say make time when rain it go start from, make no nothing know the pass for the yes, it give wheelbarrow, it give even shovel where they go take the clean the quarter, so that when rain it go start for plenty, people them they no go over the earbuds for that side. So for Subum, sabi say Subum side when rain fall plenty, people they suffer plenty, water in no day and place for water for pass in no day, so water it must to enter for inside people their house. Now for Sika that one that way job to fit Kwangnam, mayor for Douala 3, he say okay, make my people they no suffer. He say now so now for them for use the tea don't give and fine, so that they go open water hole, so that when water rain start form, water if the pass and palava water for enter for inside people their house, it go stop small. So now why that way see all people that they struggle for work, so that when rain time to reach, water it go get the road for pass, it no go enter for inside people them house for that side. So for Subum, make we hear some mommy for that side. So for inside this palava, it tell we talk.
You don't can walk for move that water where water distant for before for us. Plenty. That's also when I don't come for time where rain not fall. But it no be mean so. That I don't reach for this quarter. Water no be stand for like just not so no. No mean that people don't put the horse for water.
Yes, na mami that for that side. So for Subum, he try for talk this palava water way the stand up, and sabi say when water stand up plenty, mosquito too it must to enter for your system. So we pray I say they go use that in them fine for open water hold them, so that when rain time it reach, people them for Subum they no go hear about plenty. We go open with chapter now so for Christmas. We go start now with that side. So for Loom, country people them for Loom side, church too it be happen just like any other place. For inside Loom, palava for peace, and palava say people there where they born picking through yam, people there they know the look up picking and find, may they try for sabi say if Mama Mary says it be throw away his own picking, then Christmas day we know for the glad say they don't born new picking. So now for Sika why that way father them, pastor them, they pray say make all man he look out picking, for Sika say picking, nothing way Papa God he give them for all people them, they pray too for peace, for say make country he day for peace, make no man he no come for divide country. Make we hear waiting way father he talks so for that side. So for Loom no hear waiting way father talk.
Yes, for this Christmas day we want to think specially for this small picking them way there is so far plenty. When we do wake up for morning time for some time we hear for inside TV say they don't carry some picking for water road, they don't carry some picking for dirty place for sick away because the mommy don't go happy for day. I will receive plenty picking the way they don't go for school. For Sika say, Then papa dey talk say they no get money for pay their fee. But any day we dey see our parents dey drink for all license. For this Christmas day, make we must remember all these pikin wey they dey suffer around the world, all these pikin wey they dey marginalize them. Say Jesus Christ, he must help them. For say pikin, he must be considered like a gift for God for the humanity, gift for God for the family.
Yes, after further talk, we'll be talk to some mommy them for that side so for loom. Waiting the mommy they get for talk as we they be enter for church for prayer for Christmas Day.
Jesus, see how he come for we so he get a one heart for we. He no see we bad. He can't help we with the suffer plenty. With the die, with the kill people. No Cameroon, he don't turn like a witty. Now you with the fire, the fun he say he come with the all heart. He try from people, he make a peace for Cameroon.
Bring peace for your country, and so that all family, all society, all picking them, for all the world with the one peace, and picking being peace for your family. They talk for all known girl, known guy, say no friend for move picking. Because say if Mary and Joseph be move Christ, like we celebrate with the co-parents, the co-any man, make they get responsibility for take care for picking them.
Yes, so now some mommy than that after church for loom sites waiting the take talk. Make we enter for Boya for so chapter for Christmas. How Boya people then say they be enjoy Christmas Day. Sabi say na normal day. We all man he must to go for church, and now for church self we be start this we work also for that side so for inside Boya. And so we enter all church them now for that side for Catholic church, and now for whose side we be try for enter church town for Boya. It be work fine. All man it be doing normal thing for inside church them, full gospel church, St. Charles Luanga will go them, and even full gospel church them, all sides, pastor they be the prayer, father the prayer. Now for Palava for peace, Presbyterian church start to enter, peace too, now where they take prayer. But Sabi say Jandam people them, they be the social turn for town, for see say any man we want bring disorder, now so to the picking, and the police people themselves, they be get their own place where they be turn up for inside Boyam, as well people them, they be the struggle for enjoy big day where they born at Jesus. We'll be even reach Chief himself, Chief David Molunge, where they look out people them from Muyam. Chief says he be there for a house and he try for toxic place. He the work find services small picking that says they be like now for be for small place where they go to make their small play inside that place too will enter. Now so to picking that says the day with their family people them. Now time for them for make play. Sabi say no na all time as well gendarme people them they the turn for inside town for local town. Now so we see Boyam for Christmas Day. How Douala be there for church? We'll be enter too for inside church for Douala here country people them. Church too, it be waka fine for Douala side them. For Sabi say be then a time for Saka, time for the glad. Say for true. Papa got a picking, he don't come and he don't come for can help way. All father them for inside church, they pray and for say waiting. Make peace, he come for we country. Make people then they don't shoot people them for outside, make they stop them. And all that small prayer them, now they take prayer for inside Douala here. As way people then too, they be meet up for Catholic church here for see as way a day so defeat glad bonday or day way or we with the members saying that the day way Mama Mary a born we savior where they call him say Jesus Christ. Last place will be waka go for so palava for church and how Christmas will happen. Now for Yawende, for cathedral for Yawende, na big Archbishop Sesep, na Sesep be the Bishop Sesep for Yawende, na Sesep be make prayer, and inside the prayer, he talk straight and he talk palava for northwest and southwest. Prayer say make people they know they shoot people them. Prayer say make people them make peace it happen, and prayer say make all man he try for understand the thing way they happen now so for your country. Palava for northwest and southwest, na be full of plenty for inside a bishop a talk as well be the talk with the church people them for that side so for Yawende. But just for Sabi say the last they pray now say make peace it come for we country as well they be the glad big day for Christmas. They say by 2018 make country it don't stand up straight so that all peoples they go define and they go enjoy say make country it define. After we be comot for church, we be try for tonton for inside Yaoundé too, for see as we sick people them, or one day they don't get accident. We enter for plenty place them. As we come up for church, we fell land for that side, so for gendarme that place for office, for inside gendarme that office, they try for tell we say they no be get plenty people them. Now only small people they way case they be bring them for before them, and they be handle and fine. When we come up for gendarme people their office, we go now for hospital for Biamasi side, for hospital for Biamasi side. This doctor he try for tell we say people they dem where they be enter for they plenty for sika palava drunk, for sika palava small accident them. Where they be take happen, but they do all that one them. After we go for that side for Yaoundé emergency center. Now for they will meet up plenty people them where they say they will enjoy Christmas, and as so they enjoy Christmas. Now so to themselves they find themselves for inside accident. One the way they drink plenty, one the way they so na accident, and one the way they so na accident too it take happen for house. You get road accident and one way accident too it happen for house. So now so we see Yaoundé for number 25 day as we people they glad Christmas. Now so we take see country for this half time. Wait till we come be them for newspaper they talk. Make we try for see the small newspaper they will get on today. The Star way come up for today. A try for tell we say waiting big woman for Commonwealth we make worker for country. You don't turn back. He say make all man. He she done for one table for talk. So for inside the Star for this morning Star way come out today. They try for tell we as we SDO for me man. He don't pray. Say me na SDF they win vote for 2018 according to Tiwe the Star TikTok. So for inside the Star they try for tell we say bush faller they no enter pay plenty. Bush faller they no counter plenty for seeker trouble where it pass for inside northwest and southwest. So for the Star plenty other story the day where you enter for them you feel read them. So now so the Star newspaper will come out to them it TikTok for we. Now so make we try for enter for inside Nouvelle Expression will come out to them waiting there for the strong number for Nouvelle Expression. They tell we now how we gendarme man iki onkombi then iki ikombi a woman, and when I don't hear for Torim say after this what thing happen for Douala here for weekend gendarme people they say they make investigate they don't catch the person now. So today palava for waiting palava work with governor they get for do Nouvelle Expression it tell we say they don't give governor them work with they get for do for inside 2018. Now for you for enter for sabi all the way it take pass for inside this chapter. So country people them we take now enter for le 4 this one now another story we try for tell him as we Christmas it take pass. Yes, as we Christmas it take pass it try for turn around for inside country for tell we so a strong number it be there now for on top Christmas as we Christmas it take happen. Now so we take see country and now so we take see where we come be them for newspaper side they talk. Last thing for this afternoon we get Pikin wey don't loss. Make we try for show the Pikin face. Then we talk this palabam. They call this Pikin say waiting Jufak Vanel. Now the Pikin name that. Office yes now the Pikin that Jufak Vanel now the Pikin name that. So imami na Chamga Crystal in the back say any person wey see this Pikin wey he get 11 years make it try for bring and they say this Pikin he get 11 years and he don't disappear. Any man wey see this Pikin wey he know the talk fine he head he know stand up straight and he know the talk safe. So they say any man wey don't see and the back the kini say make you try for bring the Pikin say you fit take the thing number them 675 223 635 673 047 953 or you bring the Pikin for inside Equinox Tori House here. Make we take them as we come for French. Make we try for read and do for French so that people then for outside they fit try for understand we this Pikin and Pikin for Madame Chamga Christelle annonce la disparition de sa fille. La nommée Jufak Vanel, âgée de 11 ans et souffre de légers troubles de mémoire. Elle était vêtue d'une jupe carreau en portefeuille et une tricot noir et blanc. Elle ne s'exprime pas. Madame Chamga Christelle prie toute personne qui hébergera ou qui aurait vu sa fille de bien vouloir le contacter numéro suivant 675 223 35 673 047 9 à 53 ou venir la déposer à la radio Equinox. So now so we take see country this afternoon. Country people them want say happy Boxing Day, and we talk happy birthday too for you, Chief Robert Mukubem. You'll be one of our combi there for outside day. You get your birthday today in a number. You don't add 1 year again. Happy birthday for you, Chief Robert Mukubem. I want say happy Boxing Day for all people them for outside day. We sabi say on a day plenty for so follow Tori, Equinox Story House a day for before. Make una hold on tight. For some time we go meet up again.